Update on ZEREBRO, ZEREBRO, new cryptocurrency that came out a little bit ago. 4 hour time frame, you had an all-time high of about 5.9 cents. It actually went parabolic from less than half a penny up to 5.9 cents. That's what, close to 20x. That's diabolically crazy. I don't know if that's the right word. But either way, so what I saw, and I took along on this, it is probably sketchy because Bitcoin does not look good right now. And to say the least, this is like a symmetrical triangle. But these break out 50-50. They're 50-50 patterns. If they want to pump, actually, I see that that's a bullpen. If it wants to pump, your measure move is 9 cents. If it wants to dump, then you're looking for a new below half a penny. I don't see it going below half a penny again anytime soon. So I would be looking for this to go sideways or get a pump. That seems like the most likely scenario. Maybe go down a little bit, but you're above the 4-hour 200-day moving average by a long shot. You're above the 6-hour. You're above the 8-hour 200-day moving average. Bitcoin is nowhere near any of these moving averages. The 12 hours above the 200. The daily is barely above it, but it is above it, and the 2-day doesn't have enough data yet. And then you jump down to the 15-minute time frame. You're still barely above the 15-minute 200, but you're above the 15-minute 200-day smooth moving average. So if we can hold that, you've been above the 15-minute 200-day smooth moving average ever since it crossed the level of 1.7 cents. So if you stay above the 15-minute 200-day smooth moving average, really sitting right now at 3.7 cents. If you hold 3.7 cents, I would be looking for more upside on this. Otherwise, if you lose that level, I would say that the top is definitely in. So this is a new coin. Markups roughly, give or take a few million, about 40 million at the time of watching this video. So let's see what happens. If we stay above this bottom moving average, the 15-minute 200-day smooth moving average, I will stay long on this. We'll see what happens. I did enter kind of high at 4.3, but we'll see. It was just there, and it got rejected again, partially probably because Bitcoin's dumping. Bitcoin could just go sideways. I think this is going to continue higher. It's one of the hotter coins in the market right now. It has been one of the hotter ones. I wish I saw this earlier, but it has been one of the hotter tokens in the market ever since approximately 4 days ago, the 11th of October, when it really broke out. So actually, you could say it broke out even before that on the 9th and 10th of October, but that's when it got above the key moving averages on the 15-minute time frame. So if it does do this larger flag, fills out the rest of this flag, and Bitcoin can not dump today, I could see this doubling again. So we'll see. That would still only be an $80 million market. So it's very doable, but you need Bitcoin to cooperate. Otherwise, this is going to roll over and dump in your face. I think if you're willing to stay in for the longer term, it's worth the risk. This is not a financial bias. This is just what I see going on in the market. If you guys have requests for other altcoins, let me know in the comment section below. I had to make a new Telegram group. Feel free to join that. Link to joining that is on YouTube. I do need to double check if it's also on my YouTube page. But if it's not now, it will be by the time you see this video. I'll be live for an extended live stream on Saturday night at 9 p.m. Central Time. Maybe up to an hour, which is the longer streams I've done in a while, because I do want to go through like the top 100 tokens and see how they're doing in this market. And I might start going live for longer periods of time on Saturdays and Tuesdays. Like Tuesdays might be a 15-minute stream, but like Saturdays could be up to an hour. If it gets really crazy, we have people in there maybe longer. But Saturdays are going to start to be my longer streams, and then because I think more people can join them on Saturdays anyway, because it's the weekend. So that's my update, guys. That's my channel update as well. And I'll see you guys in the live stream on Saturday, and I'll be posting stuff on YouTube, TikTok in the meantime before then as well. All right. Have a great run. The trend's your friend till the end. Right now, the trend is to the upside on this token.